Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto with PayPal or on your PayPal account. So in order to buy crypto on PayPal, first thing first, you need to make sure that your account is verified, and then to begin with, go ahead and log in into your PayPal account. Once you're logged into your PayPal account, that's going to direct you to the home page. Now due to some security concern, the interface won't appear or it won't be recorded, so I'm just going to instruct you, so make sure to listen to the instruction carefully. Now then, to begin with the buying process, first of all, you'll be able to see your crypto balance displayed on a dashboard page right under your account. So here what you need to do is you need to click on the crypto promotional title, crypto landing page, select the cryptocurrency you'd like to buy. So once done selecting the cryptocurrency, click on buy in order to confirm it. Then you need to enter the exact amount you'd like to buy. Also, before you buy or before doing this procedure, make sure that you have enough funds, and along with that you have a stable internet connection. After that, select the payment method. It could be your PayPal balance, or it could be debit card, credit card, bank account, whatsoever. So select that, enter in the exact amount that you wish to pay, and after that you need to select the buy button. Now usually buying crypto on PayPal or buying crypto on any other application takes a while, takes time, so you have to wait patiently. And after that you'll be receiving a statement stating that you've successfully bought crypto on PayPal, and the crypto is going to be added to your PayPal balance or on your PayPal crypto. So that's basically how you can buy crypto on PayPal. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.